Hi, this is Rita and welcome back with another video. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna tell you another most important page for term and condition page. How to create term and condition page in your WordPress website for free. You can also create this page in any website, but I'm gonna tell you how to create for free. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. In our previous videos, we create a home page, contact us page, privacy policy page. If you don't see that video, get the link from description. So let's start. First we have to create a page. Click on pages, click on add new, add your title, term and condition, let's publish, view this page. As you can see, the page is created now. Let's create data for that term and conditions. Go to your Google and write term and condition generator. You go download of free term and condition generator from here. Can just visit one or more or three. Okay, like that. For example, that make document, enter your company name. For example, my is Tech. Enter according to your choice. For short, if you have any address. If you don't want this type of tag, if you don't want to enter your address, your city, your state, your phone number, and all that details, go on back and choose another one, because we have a lot. For example, I choose this one. Click on generate. If your is website, click on website. If it's your app, click on app and click on next. Paste here your URL. Copy your URL from here. For example, go in home and copy from here. Copy from here and paste there your site name, your business or your individual. Choose whatever you are. Enter your country, enter your state. Click on next step. And this one is, can the user create accounts? If you want to add this option, you have to pay $24 for beginners. I don't think so. You do this when you have some money for this. You can definitely do that. If you have some budget for this, you can do that. Otherwise, click on no. And how can user contact you if you have any question regarding your term and condition? By visiting page on our website, or by phone number, by sending email, or by email. You can choose whatever you want and click on next. Enter your email here. For example, I enter ABC. You enter that you choose for your website and click on generate. It's for free. As you can see, there is a term and condition is generate. Now you can copy and paste a link in your page and you download from here. For example, I download this one. It's download now. Click on that. Click here. Control A for select all. Right click, copy. Go to your page. Click on edit page. Paste here. Okay, as you can see, it's paste now. And there You can see there is a generator name from we generate this. Delete this. If you want to keep this, keep. From me, I delete this and click on update. I want to view page. As you can see, it's all data entered here. Now you can see there is a privacy policy in our menu. If I click on that, I go to that page. If you don't get this one, what you have to do, I told already how to link to your pages in menus. Get the other videos. If you don't get this, get link from the description. You can choose a multiple from here. Okay, visit one or more. If you have I hope this video gonna help you. If you have any curious question, ask me in comment. I will help you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't miss this free course. See you on another video. Take care.